So basically we have like 3 feet of snow and it's still snowing right now. Yeah, too much snow. Now I'm gonna start shoveling the snow. This side of the driveway first. It's gonna be a while. There's so much snow. All that snow over there. Woo! All this snow is packing up. Oh goodness. It's gonna be a few hours. Well, made some headway on shoveling the driveway. Still got a lot left to go. Me and Mom finished the driveway. It took a lot of work though. Took a while. The garbage truck is trying to get unstuck over there in the middle of the road. So windy. We're getting unstuck over there. The garbage people. The pile of snow on the side of the driveway is very high up. There's a lot of people shoveling out the stuff. I don't know. A lot of snow. I'm stepping in the snow. Whoa, it just got in my boot. That's cold. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Mama Nevy, why don't you put her jacket on, huh? Nevy's gonna go to the bathroom. So close. Looks like they moved the garbage truck. I'm under the tree. There's a lot of snow up there. I guess I'm gonna go inside for a little bit and then come out later and play in the snow because I shoveled so much already. It's still snowing outside. That's how slow our garage door is. I say it looks quite nice outside today. The driveway's all cleared. The snow came off the trees, most of it, not all of it though.